Hello there. I'm Helia, your AI-generated spokesperson from HeliCo. Today, I will explain various approaches that we have integrated to simplify the translation and interpretation process, drawing on our years of expertise. When you require interpretation or translation services, we consider some essential points. 1. High-quality translation and interpretation services compliant with ISO standards. 2. Prompt fulfillment of your translation and interpretation needs. 3. Competitive pricing for quality translation and interpretation services. To achieve all of this at HeliCo, we guarantee the following. Services compliant with ISO 17001 and ISO 9001 standards. Utilization of CAT and QA tools, creating terminology for each task, and ensuring the accurate and consistent use of terms in every translation project. Collaboration with tested and approved translators and vetted interpreters who have passed our trials. Detailed procedure files and checklists. Automation in project management through technology usage. A competent operations team. Thanks to meticulously considered points, we can guarantee high-quality translation and interpretation services at all times. If you seek to take advantage of our services, the steps are straightforward. Let us guide you through them. 1. Fill out the service intake form. When reaching out to us for translation and interpretation services, we need specific pieces of information from you each time. To increase correspondence with you, we have created a form titled Service Intake Form. You can provide the required information by completing this form or progressing in your own format. Please remember that we will need to have the information mentioned in the service intake form to be able to create a comprehensive quote for you. 2. Receive a quotation file from us. The HeliCo team is known for its quick turnaround. As soon as you submit your request, we respond promptly to confirm it within half an hour to an hour. Following this response, we provide you with a quote in the shortest time. 3. Request changes to the quote, if needed. You can request changes to this quote or ask for discounts on certain items depending on the volume of your request. 4. Approve the quote to initiate the process. After you approve our quote, we move on to project management planning right away, ensuring that we have all the files for translation or all the details about your event where you will need interpretation. If you prefer, you may also track the progress of our translation services by registering in our project management system, which also allows you to send quote requests to us rather than via emails. 5. Receive the service delivery. Once our project management teams complete all the steps, they deliver the translated files and created or updated glossaries specifically for your texts. In the case of interpretation services, an interpretation coordinator from the HeliCo team, along with our technical equipment and technicians, will be present at your event venue a day before the event. In addition to being responsible for the process management, our interpretation coordinator acts as your point of contact and oversees our interpretation services. After delivering our services completely and smoothly, we send an invoice from our US, UK, or Turkey companies according to our agreement. We expect payments for the completed services within 15 days from the invoice date. If we establish a continuous collaboration agreement, we can proceed with scheduled payments once every month. The HeliCo team not just operates as an ordinary service provider but your translation and interpretation department next door, providing customized translation and interpretation services and consultancy about the services offered. We look forward to becoming a preferred service provider for you.